In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine all your Google calendars and stop double booking your day. Let's dive in and make your scheduling life a little bit easier. First, what you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to Google Calendar. You can get there by typing calendar.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. Now that you're in Google Calendar, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll notice there are multiple calendars in your list. Each one probably has a different color and name. It's easy for these to get cluttered and even trickier once you start managing events across several calendars, which is why we're here today. To start organizing them, find one of your calendars on this list and hover over it until you see 3 vertical dots appear next to the calendar's name. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up, and from this menu, navigate down to the option that says Settings and Sharing. Click on it, and you will be taken to the settings page for that specific calendar. This page is like your control center for how this calendar is shared with others and also how it interacts with your other Google calendars. Once you're here, look for the section marked Share with Specific People. In this section, click the button that reads Add People or Groups. This is where you'll start integrating other calendars and, importantly, avoid those nasty double bookings. Type the email address of the person whose calendar you want to include. This is useful if you have multiple accounts, or if you're trying to merge personal and business schedules. After entering the desired email, you'll notice a range of permission options appear. These permissions let you customize how much access the other person will have to your calendar. Options range from allowing them to simply view your calendar to giving them the ability to add events or even make changes. Choose the level of access that feels right for your needs. If you're syncing up with yourself, it might be best to have full access. If you're inviting a colleague, a more limited access level might be appropriate. Once you've selected your permissions, it's time to finalize your choice by clicking Send. This action sends an invitation to the specified email and formally shares your calendar. By following these steps, you can integrate all the various Google calendars you manage, streamlining your scheduling and ensuring you're more organized, and importantly, staying on top of all your appointments. Keep practicing this method whenever you find yourself juggling multiple schedules, and you'll soon find it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!